Hey you guys, so if you want to see how I created this look, which is inspired by Nikki tutorials, just keep on watching. So this was a look that Nikki tutorials did, and she got inspiration from another artist. When I looked on this artist's page, I didn't actually see the piece that she was recreating, but she said that she was recreating it, so okay. And then I saw another girl do the same look using the Juvias Zulu palette. This is what it looks like, and her name is Melanie Castaneda. I will leave her her Instagram link down below. Yeah, she used the Juvias Zulu palette, and I have the Zulu palette. So I want to do this look. So even though it was Nikki's look first, well, that I've seen, using the yellow from this palette, and I kind of have the piece in front of me, and I'm just going to dab the yellow on. The yellow goes on this corner as well. I'm just going to keep building it, and it's better to just pat it on, I think. Now I'm using my IMagic Flash palette along with a very flat NARS brush, and I'm taking the white on the tip. I'm using this white eyeshadow to set that white that I've just put down. Okay, kind of feel like the hood of my eye is not, oh no. Okay, so I need to go back in, redefine these clouds. Okay. Okay. Whew. That's a lot better. Okay, I'm gonna go and do the other eye, and I'll come back in a moment. I'm going to use my fast stroke eyeliner in white. So this is how the look has turned out. I'm actually quite happy with it, but I know I could do better if I was to practice it a little bit more. So I've done underneath the eye, I've done the eyelash line, I've done the little stars and stuff, and I've put on some falsies. The only thing is, because I've put on so much white on my eyes, like the white colour, like the cream white colour, and the white eyeshadow on top of it to set it. A lot of it went onto my eyelashes on this eye, and I just find that it coated the eyelash so much that even when I put mascara on, I can still see some of the white peeking through, but not so much on this eye. I feel like the shape of the clouds worked out a lot better on this eye than it did this one. Overall, I know that if I was to practice, I could get this look down. Anyway, so if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.